Hey guys, it's me. I'm back again today with another video. Today we are going to be talking about holiday sets that I think are totally worth the money. I'm going to go onto the website, so I'll just post like pictures of the items here on the screen for you to see. But I think during the holidays, gift sets, especially ones for skincare, bath and body, brush gift sets, and then sometimes you can find some really great lip kits and makeup sets. So I'm gonna go through all the ones that I totally think are worth it for you. So let's go ahead and hop right on into it. The first thing that I want to talk about from Ulta's website is going to be Smashbox. Now Smashbox has great holiday sets. The first one I want to talk about is the Holidays Photo Finish Travel Primer Trio. In this trio, you're going to get 3 primers. You're going to get the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. You're going to get the primer water, and then you're going to get the Photo Finish Primer Either, which, as you guys know, is my favorite primer of all time. This is such a good primer, especially if you have dry skin, but also if you have oily skin too, because it doesn't leave you feeling greasy. It sinks right into the skin. It leaves your face feeling nice and fresh and plump. And the primer water is really great too. I used to use that all the time. And this trio retails for $22, and the value of it is $45. So that is such a steal, because typically their minis are still $15 a piece. So, you know, that's such a great deal. 22 bucks, you get 3 primers, and you get a chance to try them out. And I feel that even with minis, like some people think minis aren't worth it, but for me, a mini is just enough for you to try that product, just enough time to be able to determine whether you like it or not, and if you want to purchase that full size. The next set I want to talk about from Smashbox is going to be the Holidays Always On Liquid Lip Set. This set retails for $29. You're going to get 5 liquid lipsticks. You're going to get 3 Always On mattes. You're going to get 3 Always On metallic matte liquid lipsticks. The shades are Conduct, Stepping Out, Babe Alert, Man Eater, Vlada, and Rust Fun. And you get anywhere from like a deep warm plum to a deep nude, a rose, a red, and like a rose gold with a pearl shift, those kinds of things. So these are going to be 6 travel size, meaning mini liquid lipsticks. It doesn't say the retail value of this, but the set is $29. And I think it's such a good deal. Smashbox liquid lips are some of the best, most raved about liquid lipsticks on the market today. They're such a great formula, just nice and creamy and smooth and hydrating and not drying at all. So I think that if you have been wanting to check them out, that you totally should. The next set that I want to talk about is also from Smashbox. It is called their Holidays Be Legendary Lipstick and Lip Mattifier Set. So you're going to get 5 Be Legendary lipsticks. These are full-size lipsticks, and you're going to get a little mini lip mattifier, which is kind of like a little cream, and you can pat it on the lips and it will mattify the lips. This is probably my favorite set. I will most likely pick it up. I think it's also great that not only one of the shades that was in the set last year, which is the shade Legendary, which is like a red lipstick, which is what this looks like. This is the only shade that it was in the set last year that is also in the set this year. But again, you get everything from a nude rosy shade, a chestnutty brown shade, a deep red, a raspberry, and a deep berry. So you know, you get a great range of colors. So yeah, this set is $29. And I think it is great, and the value of the set is $116. So that is a super big steal. I would say run, don't walk to pick this set up. Let's see here. The next brand I want to talk about at Ulta that has some great gift sets this year is going to be Real Techniques. If you don't know anything about Real Techniques, they are a brushes brand. Just a few examples of some of their brushes. Here, I'll show you a few. Their original brushes look more like this one here. This is like one of their staple brushes, really great. These two here are from their like glittery, shiny gift set that they had sometime this year. I bought that set. They're really pretty. Anyway, Real Techniques has great quality brushes for super good prices. You really can't beat them. During the holidays, they have some great sets. I'm going to tell them to you from the most priciest ones to the more cheaper ones. The first that I want to talk about is the You Glow Girl for a full face look kit. This kit retails for $49.99. You're going to get 10 brushes. 4 of them are new brushes, ones that we have not seen before. You're going to get one Miracle Complexion sponge and a sponge case, as well as a metal lash wand, which is also new. The value of this set is going to be $97, and like I said, it retails for $49.99. This set I think is great. I think if you don't own any brushes and you're looking to pick up a set, this one is totally worth the money. The next Real Techniques set I want to talk about is going to be the Keep Calm and Marry On Glowing Highlight and Flawless Lashes Kit. This kit retails for $29.99 and it is a $50 value. In this kit, you're going to get 4 brushes, 1 metal lash wand, and 2 sponges. One of the sponge being the Miracle Complexion sponge, and the other sponge being something kind of like this, like those silicone deals where you just that was so inappropriate. But the little rubber ones that remind you of a breast implant. This one is in the set as well. They're calling it the Foundation Applicator Smooth Flexible Surface. Helps to hygienically transfer foundation or primers to your skin. So that one will be in the set as well. So I think if you're looking to buy a small set, try some of their stuff out. The set is really worth it. I really would like to try that contouring fan brush from them, to be honest. And these are great sets to give to other people as well. And last but not least, we have the Party Favors Dewy Glow and Full Coverage Kit. This is specifically just a sponge set. You're going to get a Miracle Complexion sponge, a foundation applicator, which is the one that's similar to this, a diamond sponge, and 2 mini Miracle Complexion sponges. This is originally $17.99 and the value of it is $28. So if you're looking to purchase some sponges, you're not into spending $20 for a beauty blender, you specifically like the Real Techniques sponges. I hear a lot of people rave about the diamond sponge. I think my girlfriend loves it. And their Miracle Complexion sponges are great as well. I have tried and used those before. So I think this is a really great kit for you if you're looking to re-up on them sponges, girl. You know what I'm saying? I want to talk about another lip kit that I think is really great and totally worth the money and super raved about. A lot of people love their lips, and that is Buxom. This is called the Buxom Black Tie Tease 6-piece lip kit. It is $36 at a value of $68. Okay, so in this kit, you're going to get 1 mini full-on lip cream in the shade White Russian. You're going to get a mini full-on lip polish in the shade Celeste. You're going to get a mini satin big and sexy bold gel lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. You're going to get a mini matte big and sexy bold gel lipstick in the shade Sinful Cinnamon. You're going to get a mini pump line lip liner in the shade Hush Hush, a mini Vava plump shiny liquid lipstick in the shade Honey Dew, and a masquerade eye veil. So they put their most popular lips and shades in this set. It says they must have 6-piece collection of Buxoms containing their most coveted nudes to complement all skin tones. This is a all nude set, which I think is great because they have some really beautiful nudes in their collection, you know, in their brand. So I think this one is definitely one to run and jump for. It's only 36 bucks. Buxom's lips are expensive. Like, let's be real, their lips are pretty expensive. They're more on the pricier side, on the more high-end side at Ulta. So if before you could never really afford but always wanted to try their lips, I think this is a great set because you're getting to try, I'm pretty sure, all of their lips that they have in their lip category, you know, for their collection of makeup, you know, whatever, I don't know how to say it, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I think this kit is great, and I definitely think I'll be picking this one up as well. So,
Mom, Dad, you know what I mean? I want these.
The next brand I want to talk about is The Body Shop. If you've never heard of The Body Shop, they carry skincare products. They are really great. Their coconut line is my absolute favorite. I love, love, love their coconut line. But they do have a few sets here, and I'm just going to read them off to you, starting with the most expensive to the cheapest, because I feel like who doesn't want to know the cheapest to the most expensive, right? You know what I mean? So let me just pull something up here. The most expensive kit that they have is the Body Care Essentials gift set. This gift set is going to be 20 bucks. And you're going to get a 8.45 ounce shower cream. So I'm pretty sure that's the full size shower cream. You're going to get the body scrub, the body butter, their soap, and a bath lily, which is like the cute little sponges that you wash your body with. This set comes in almond milk and honey, coconut, shea, and strawberry. I highly recommend the coconut. Coconut is my favorite scent of all time. Everything I have is coconut. Coconut, coconut, coconut. But yes, that is the scents that they have. I think it's great. The next set I'm going to talk about is the Body Care gift bag. This set is $15. It is a $20 value. It is a 3-piece set. You're going to get the shower cream, the body butter, and the hand cream. I believe these are all minis. This set comes in shea, coconut, and almond milk and honey. I think this set is great for like a coworker or a friend. It's just a nice, small, cheaper, not on the expensive size gift. Everybody needs body soap. Everybody needs lotion. Everybody needs this to wash their body with and to hydrate their body with. Because let's be honest, girl, it's winter time. So I think this is a great gift set to gift or buy for yourself. Okay?
Cheers. You can buy it for me, okay? You can buy this one for me. Coconut, please. Thank you very much.
And their cheaper gift set is the Body Care Duos. These sets are $9 a piece at a $12 value. And you're going to get a shower cream and a body butter. They're both minis. The set is nice and small, as you can see here in the picture. It comes in British Rose, shea, coconut, almond milk and honey, and mango. And these are perfect stocking stuffers. These are great stocking stuffers. Really quickly, I want to talk about a few gift sets that Sephora has this year. I'm just pulling up their website really quick. One being the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter Mini Macaron set. It is $40. And it is a value of $76. I'm so sorry about my voice, you guys. It's like the more I talk, it just goes. You're going to get 4 mini highlighters. You're going to get the shades Opal, Vanilla Quartz, Rose Quartz, and Prismatic Amethyst. Which are 4 of their super popular shades. I think this set is really great. Becca's highlighters are super nice and creamy and pigmented, and they just look like wetness on the skin, like I live. And so yeah, I think that if you ever wanted to try their highlighters, that this is a great set to purchase. I mean, nobody ever goes through a full highlighter like Really, do you ever? I don't think so. So yeah, they are minis, but for $40 and you get 4 of them, that's a bomb ass deal. Bomb ass deal. Okay? Just bomb. Let's see. Beauty blender. Let's talk beauty blender. Beauty blender has the Beauty Blender Sweet Indulgence set this year. It is $65 at a value of $112. You're gonna get 4 beauty blenders in Original, Sapphire, Joy, and Ivy, which are the colors. I post a picture here. And then you're gonna get 4 mini blender cleanser solids. So for each blender, you're gonna get a little mini cleanser, as you can see there, and one, like, they're each colors coordinate with the beauty blenders. I freaking love Beauty Blender. Like, it's just about all I use, as sad as it is. But I will say, yes, they are expensive, but if you take care of your beauty blenders and you often clean them, they're gonna stay nice and clean and nice looking, and they're not gonna tear and wear out on you. So that is my biggest tip. I totally think this set is worth it. It'll be on my Christmas wish list. You know what I'm saying? Moving on. The next kit I want to talk about is by Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro. I don't know how you say it, okay?
Don't come for me.
Bum Bum Carnival Magic Gift Set. It is $38 at a value of $55. You're going to get a full-size Bum Bum Cream, a mini Bum Bum Cream, a Brazilian Crush Fragrance, and a Brazilian Kiss Capaci Lip Butter, however the hell you say it. My man loves, and I love him. Like, when I smell it on him, it smells so good. I feel like, I mean, I don't know if this is just me, but I feel like it has more of a manlier scent to it than a more feminine scent. And my man wears it, and every time I smell it on him, I'm just like, oh, it smells so good. But yeah, so this set is great, and I'll probably be getting him this as a Christmas gift because he likes it a lot. But $38, and you get a full size and the mini, and then the spray as well as the lip balm. Steal, highly recommend it. Run, don't walk. Okay, you here? You got it? You got it? Good. The last set I want to talk about is from Drunk Elephant. It is the Big Reveal Kit. It is $88 at a $132 value. I have always wanted to try Drunk Elephant. They are a very expensive luxury skincare brand. Kathleen Lights has raved about them for years. Amy Macedo, I think is how you say it. I'll link them both down here. She loves and has raved about the TLC Sakari Baby Facial, which is what I really want to try. And that alone is, I think, $88 just for that mask. And with this set, it is $88 at $132 value, and you don't just get the full-size baby facial, but you also get their number 9 jelly cleanser, you get the Bee Hydra intensive hydration serum, you get the Virgin Marula luxury facial oil, and the Lippy Balm. Those are all minis. This kit is definitely on my Christmas wish list. If somebody doesn't get it for me, I'm gonna get it myself. And yeah, that's about all that really sticks out to me. So yeah, I just want to say I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love watching people's holiday Christmas lists. I think it's super interesting and fun. I love the holidays. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you do, make sure you hit that notification bell down here so that you're notified when I post new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! I have never truck drunk. The next set I want to talk about is from Drunk Elephant. What is wrong with me today?